Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add quick links to your footer on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my dashboard, and what I'm going to do from here is go into the online store menu over here to the left under sales channels. Once you're here, you'll get the themes menu open by the default. If it doesn't, just go to themes over here. And as you can see, currently I am using the Dawn theme, which is the default theme, and you can just click customize right over here, and that'll open up your store editor pretty much. Now, if we go all the way down, as you can see in the footer, I only have our emails over here, and what you can do is then click add block under footer and click menu. Once you click that, it'll add a footer menu just like this, and you have this search link over here by default, but you can click on footer menu in the right here to edit it, and it'll open up a new menu. Now once you're here, you're gonna change the links or add ones that you already want. I'll delete the search link, and as you can see, it doesn't have any items, so I'll just add a menu item. I'll just call it test 1, and I'll link it to my homepage. Click add. Then I'll add another one, which is test 2, and I'll link it to Google just as an example, like so. Click add, and then make sure that you save the menu either by clicking this button here, or in the top you'll see a save button as well. And as you can see, the menu has been updated. Now if I go to my store, it's gonna change. As you can see, it's gonna reload by itself, and we have test 1 and test 2 right under quick links, and that is exactly what you want to achieve. And now our 2 links have been added, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.